In this video, I compare ByBit, Bitget, and Binance to determine which platform is best for crypto trading, futures, and overall usability. I will break down their fees, features, security, and trading experience so you can choose the right one. And I've been using all of these three for the last year now, so I know exactly what you need to know to make a decision on which one to choose. So let's move on with the trading and features. So let's kick off with the trading and futures. So Binance is the largest crypto exchange with spot trading, futures, staking, launchpads, and a fast altcoin selection, and it is ideal for all levels of traders. ByBit, on the other hand, is known for derivatives trading, low slippage, and advanced tools, and this is great for leverage trading and pro traders. And then Bitget offers futures trading, copy trading, and competitive fees, and this is best for copy traders and beginners. And let's talk about something that is maybe the most important thing on crypto exchanges, and that are the fees and the costs. Binance spot fees start at 0.1%, with discounts for BNB token holders. ByBit, on the other hand, has lower fees for derivatives trading, but withdrawal fees apply. Bitget has very competitive trading fees, especially for futures. Let's move on then to the user experience and security. Binance has high liquidity, regulated in multiple regions, but KYC is required on Binance. And ByBit is user-friendly for leverage trading, but it is not available in all regions. So that is something that you need to check out. And Bitget is very strong in copy trading features and is also super beginner friendly. So if you are a starter, then Bitget is amazing for you to start off with. And let's make a final verdict on the three of these. And for Binance, I would say that this one is best for overall trading and altcoins. ByBit is best for derivatives and pro traders. And the best for copy trading and beginners is Bitget. So summarized, if you're focused on deep liquidity, altcoins, and an all-in-one exchange, Binance is the winner. For futures and advanced trading, ByBit is a solid choice. And if you prefer copy trading and lower fees, Bitget might be the best fit. So let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. So thank you guys for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel.